Winter Wonderland.
Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I achieve this icy look, Winter Wonderland look, then just keep on watching. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'm going to go into my Juvias Afrique palette and I'm going to use that blue shade and I'm going to pack it all in my crease. Then I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use that to blend out the harsh edges. So it's a blue shade, it's the lightest blue shade in that palette. I did not show the palette because I forgot, but it is the lightest blue shade, the sky blue shade in the palette. After blending that out, I'm going to go in with my concealer to cut my crease, and I'm going to be doing a half moon cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead, cut the crease, add some NYX silver pigment over the concealer, and then go in with my NYX glitter. And the NYX glitter is called Crystal. So I messed up on this part, but I want to show you guys a mistake that I made. I was trying to do that ombre blue liner. It would have looked great, but this was my first attempt at it, and I think I messed up. So I just went ahead and used the black e.l.f. liquid liner and did my wing as usual. I proceed to add in my glitter after my wing liner because to try and draw a liner over glitter, it looks bumpy. So I just went ahead and did it after. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my lashes from Lash Me Up Cosmetics on Instagram. And the style that I'm wearing is from the trio, and it's the bottom one. I don't remember which one it is, if it's Big Money Spender or what, but I don't remember what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using my NYX matte primer. Is it NYX? No, I don't remember. But then I go in with my Kat Von D foundation. And it's a sample shade that I got, so I'm going to put everything in the description below. Then go in, highlight with my Lagirl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and then after blending that out, I'm going to go in and contour. Yes, and the primer that I use is the matte primer from Wet n Wild. Now I'm just going with my foundation brush and using it to blend out the harsh edges of my concealer to let it blend into my skin flawlessly. I'm going to be setting my highlighted areas with a combination of the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and the banana powder from Black Radiance. And I'm going to be placing it all over where I put the concealer. I'm going to be doing like a reverse contour so that my cheekbones are defined. I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance powder in Coffee, the pressed powder, and I'm going to use that to contour my face. So I'm going to let it look chiseled and snatched. Now I just did set my face with the Urban Decay All-nighter setting spray, and now I'm going in with my Shayla times Colourpop highlighter in the color Boomin, and as you can see, it is definitely booming. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the bottom of my waterline using the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using that blue shade. And then I went ahead and add some glitters to my waterline, also the bottom line. Then add the mascara. I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face by completing my lips using a brown lip pencil. It's really creamy. I like this pencil. I'm going to put it in the description below. I don't remember what's the name of the pencil. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX lingerie in the shade, it's in the shade Corset, yes. Look at that, it's so nice and pretty. Check out my dimples. So now I'm going to go ahead, put on my wig, see you on the next side, and voila, I look so beautiful. Mwah. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.